The professional staff of Make It Happen Bail Bonds is well trained and can assist you in getting your loved one released from custody with a minimum amount of paperwork and time. You will only need to pay Make It Happen Bail Bonds a fraction of what the total bail amount would be, and we will work with you on making financing arrangements if required. We do all bonds, local, state, and federal for any amount. All credit and debit cards are accepted. Payment plans and warrant verifications are available. Make It Happen Bail Bonds, 904-674-6100.